Welcome to my daily coding tutor YouTube channel. In today's topic, we'll be discussing on the Java encapsulation and its uses. Java encapsulation is one of the fundamental principles of object-oriented program, which is the OOP. It refers to the practice of bundling data and methods that operate on the data into a single unit, typically a class. Encapsulation restricts direct access to certain components of an object, promoting modularity and security. Encapsulation is one of the fundamental principles of object-oriented program, which is the OOP in Java. It refers to the bundling of data and the methods that operate on the data into a single unit called a class. Encapsulation involves restricting direct access to some components of an object to ensure a controlled interaction. Now let's look into the encapsulation is implemented by. That is the key aspect of encapsulation. We have the declaring, number one, declaring the field variable of a class as private. This prevents direct access to the field from outside the class. The second one, providing public getter and setter methods. These methods are used to retrieve, get, and modify set the private field indirectly, ensuring controlled access. Now let's look into the examples of encapsulation in Java. The first one here is Java in public class employee. Open braces, comments, private fields. Private string name, semicolon. Private int age, semicolon. Comment constructor, public employee, open bracket, string name, int age, close bracket, open braces, this dot name equals to name, semicolon. This dot age equals to age, semicolon, close braces. Comment, getter for name, public string get name, open bracket, close bracket, open braces, return name, semicolon, close braces. Comment, setter for name, public void set name, open bracket, string name, close bracket, open braces, this dot name equals to name, semicolon, close braces. Comment, getter for age, public int get age, open bracket, close bracket, open braces, return age, semicolon, close braces. Comment, setter for age, public void set age, open bracket, int age, close bracket, open braces. If age, open bracket, if age is greater than 0, close bracket, open braces. Comment, validation logic, this dot age equals to age, semicolon, close braces, x, open braces. System dot out dot println, open bracket, age must be positive, full stop, close bracket, semicolon, close braces, close braces, close braces. Now let's look into the usage of encapsulation. The first one here is the data security. By making field private, sensitive data is hidden from direct access. Only authorized methods, getter or setter, controls how the data is accessed or modified. The next one here is the control over data. Using setter method. Using setter method, you can implement validation logic before changing a field value. For instance, ensuring the age is non-negative in the above example. The next one here is the improved maintainability. Changes to the internal implementation. Example, renaming a field. Don't affect external code as long as the getter and the setter remains consistent. The fourth one here is the modularity. Encapsulation keeps related data and behavior together in one class, making the code easier to understand and manage. The fifth one is the flexibility. You can modify the internal logic of getter and setter without affecting the other part of the code that uses the class. In this flexibility, internal implementation of a class can change without affecting the external code, as long as the interface remains the same. The next one here is the enhanced readability and usability. With encapsulated classes, users of the class focus on its public AIP method without needing to understand its workings. By privileged encapsulation, Java promotes robust, reusable, and maintainability code. It is a cornerstone of designing well-structured, object-oriented program. By encapsulating data and behavior, Java promotes modularity, security, and code maintainability. This is where we are going to stop for today. Like, share, and comment our YouTube channel. Bye.